Hello, I'm David Hyde, and welcome to my ePortfolio website introduction. A little bit about my background. My father was in the military, so I kind of have an experience of living in various parts of the world. Here you can see on the map, I was actually born in San Antonio, Texas. From there, my family moved to Ramstein Air Force Base in Germany, where I lived in Germany for 7 years before we made our way back to Scott City, Kansas, which is in western Kansas, and then now I currently reside in Marysville, Kansas, which is in northeast Kansas, about an hour north of Manhattan, hour south of Lincoln, Nebraska. So I've kind of been all over the place and got to experience different cultures and different sides of communities, that's for sure. As far as my family goes, here you can see my wife Tiffany. She is holding our youngest son Grayson, and then myself with our oldest son Trayton. Trayton is currently 5 years old. Grayson is 3, and we are also expecting to have a baby girl come October 13th, assuming she is not early or late. Uh, as far as my education background, I graduated high school from Scott Community High School, then went to Kansas Wesleyan University, which is located in Salina. Did my student teaching at Salina Sacred Heart, and from there I took a job in Marysville, where I have been for the last 10 years. While in Marysville, I've taught social studies. I've had a couple different courses. I've taught American government economics to my seniors and world history to my sophomores. I have also taught for a couple years social problems, which I no longer teach. As far as going along with my teaching, I have also coached at my time up here at Marysville. I used to coach all 3 seasons. I was a head baseball coach for 5 years, but once our family started to expand, I kind of gave that up. I've been an assistant men's basketball coach all 10 years that I've been here. I have also for several years been an assistant girls tennis coach, which has helped keep things relatively busy. I really do enjoy the coaching aspect of education. It's a great extension of the classroom. As far as my goals and expectations, as far as professional goals, as far as personal goals, and what I want to get out of administration or education, ultimately, right now, I really enjoy where I'm at here in Marysville. My wife and I have no reason we want to move on. But I thought that administration would be a great ace in my pocket or a chance for me to maybe advance my career further on down the road when I'm ready. That might be sooner than anticipated. It might be later. I'm not really sure. I kind of go back and forth how I feel about administration. And I really just want to continue to advance myself in education. And when I feel like I'm ready, potentially make that leap to then start applying for jobs. But a really key, obviously, component of that is getting through these courses at Fort Hays State and enjoying and learning from them, also as well as finishing this e-portfolio and getting it presented. Uh, why did I choose Fort Hays State? The answer is relatively simple for me. I had several colleagues who were going to Fort Hays State in the exact same program. They had nothing but positive things to say about it. The prices I thought were very competitive and decent. And as being someone who grew up in Western Kansas, Fort Hays State uh, is a place that had some familiarity to it, even though I wouldn't be traveling there. The other big aspect of it is the online. I mean, I'm a father, I'm a teacher, I'm a coach, and to be able not to travel and be able to work on this and learn from my own home or from my workspace has been awesome and very advantageous. I look forward to kind of going through all of this and learning, and am excited to take this next step in my career. Thank you guys.